Hi, this is Chris showing you how to update or replace text in several files using PERL on OS X at the command line. So what I'm going to be using is PERL, and it's usually here installed already. You can type PERL-V to get your version of PERL. I'm actually on an old install of OS X Maverick, so you should definitely have PERL on your your Mac OS. Okay, so I have PERL. That's great. Here's my structure. I'm in the directory of testers. Let me make sure I'm in that present directory here, because that's where you want to start this from. You definitely don't want to start it at the root if that's not the intention. But if it is the intention, you can go to the root of your project and do it across many files. So what I'm aiming to replace here is this 888 phone number, and I want to wrap it in some sort of HTML and that sort of thing. The command looks like this. So I have to notice the escape of these not hyphens, but brackets or parentheses. So these parentheses are being escaped with the backslash command, or the backslash. And if you look at what I'm trying to replace it with, it's a class named phone number. I'm adding some inline styling to it, and giving it an anchor reference in case I want to. Notice the HTML tags, since it uses a /, and that's my delimiter in this command. I'm escaping these /. You could change this delimiter to something else, like a pipe or something, but I'm just going to leave it with /. But remember, if you do change this delimiter for PERL, you have to change it everywhere else. So this becomes the delimiter on the search. So to start a search, I added the pipe delimiter, and now let's copy this, see if this command works at the command line. Type it in, it ran, and yes, it replaced the 888 numbers as I expected it to. Let's look at the second file that I have here in my directory. Did it change there too? Yes, it did. And it did traverse into subdirectories. So this can be a pain in the butt to figure out. If you have a PHP script to do this, that's great, right? But sometimes you want to be able to do this at a command line level, and you want to maybe add it into a PERL script or bash, whatever, what have you. And this is just that way of doing it. Thank you.